In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently organize and manage your projects using Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks into a visual system that's easy to customize and simple to use. Whether you're handling personal projects or managing business commissions, Trello can help streamline your workflow and ensure you never lose track of a task. We'll begin by opening your preferred internet browser and navigating to Trello.com. Once the site has loaded, you'll need to log in. You can sign in using different methods such as your email, a Google account, or any other option that's convenient for you. This flexibility makes it quick and straightforward to access your Trello boards from anywhere. After you've logged in, take a moment to locate the specific board you wish to work on. A Trello board is essentially your canvas for organizing projects. Think of it as your digital workspace, where you can see all your tasks laid out at once. Click on the board you intend to use. In this video, we'll dedicate this board to manage your commission queue. Now let's create a structured workflow by adding lists. Lists in Trello are like columns in a Kanban system, allowing you to organize tasks into distinct stages. Start by clicking on Add a List to create your workflow structure. Begin with a list named Ideas. This is where your initial thoughts and project concepts will live. Then add additional lists that match your process flow, such as Backlog, Ready for Action, and finally, Done. These lists serve as steps that each project will go through from conception to completion, helping you track progress easily. Once your lists are ready, it's time to populate them with cards. Cards are essentially task entries that represent specific commissions or projects you'll be working on. Under each list, click Add a Card to create a new task. For instance, you can title your first card Project. This could represent anything from a client order to a personal task you want to manage. Once you've named the card, click Add Card to secure it in place. Repeat this card creation process for every project you intend to manage on this board. As you dive into work, you'll find that moving cards through your newly created lists is both intuitive and insightful. Trello allows you to easily visualize progress by moving cards between lists to update their statuses in real time. For example, when you receive a new commission, start by placing the card in the backlog list. As you commence work on this task, drag it over to Ready for Action and keep progressing until it reaches the Done list. This drag and drop functionality simplifies tracking and ensures you can keep tabs on each project at a glance. By incorporating this simple yet effective structure within Trello, you can effortlessly streamline your project management and enhance productivity. Don't forget to explore the additional features Trello offers, as it can be tailored even further to suit your specific needs. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing.